students, welcome back to my channel. In last video we had talked about how to perform addition of decimal numbers. In today's video we are going to learn how to perform multiplication of decimal numbers. This is very important concept. Okay, so let's begin with the first example to understand the multiplication between decimal numbers. We'll consider a very easy example. We need to perform the multiplication between 1.2 into 1.2. So what you have to do, forget about the decimal point. Simply, as you know that how to perform the multiplication between the two numbers, same procedure you need to apply. So 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, then here you need to add 0, 2 1s are 2, 1 1s are 1. Okay, and then you need to perform the addition. After addition you will get 144. Now the decimal points comes here. Where you are going to place the decimal point, whether you are going to place the decimal point in between 1 and 4, whether you are going to place the decimal point in between 4 and 4. So how you are going to check? Whatever we had discussed in case of the addition rule or the addition between the decimal number, it was completely different. But in case of the multiplication, what you have to do? You have to check after the decimal point how many digits are there. In this case, there is only one digit. Here, after the decimal point, again there is only one digit. So total how many digits are there after the decimal point? Total 2 digits are there. So what you have to do? From the right hand side, you have to leave 2 decimal places. So this is the first decimal place, this should be the second decimal place, and then you have to put the decimal point. So what is the multiplication between 1.2 into 1.2? The answer should be 1.44. I hope you have understood how to perform the multiplication between decimal numbers. Let's consider another example to understand this. If I need to perform the multiplication between 389.10 into 2.3, what I said, forget about the decimal point initially. Simply you need to perform the multiplication. So can you just tell me the answer? Come on, one by one we'll do simultaneously. Okay, so 3 into 0 will be 0, 3 into 1 will be 3, 9 3s are 27, so we need to write 7 here, 2 will be the carry, 8 3s are 24, 24 plus 2 is 26, again 2 will be the carry, 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 2 is 11. Okay, then we need to add here 0, and then you have to multiply the given number by 2, 2 zeros are 0, 2 1s are 2, 9 2s are 18, carry will generate, 1 will be the carry, 18 2s are 16 plus 1 is 17, again carry will generate, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 is 7, and then we have to perform the addition. 0, 3, 9, 7 plus 2 is 9, 8 plus 6 is 14, carry will generate, 7 plus 1 is 8 plus 1 is 9, 7 plus 1 is 8. Now we need to assign the decimal point. So how you are going to assign the decimal point for this particular answer? Whether you are going to place in between these two numbers, in between these two numbers, or in between these two numbers. So how you are going to place that particular decimal point? What is the procedure? In the first number after the decimal point, how many digits are there? There are 2 digits. Am I right? In second number, how many digits are there? There is only 1 digit. So total how many digits are there after the decimal point? Yes, 3 digits are there. So simply from the right hand side we have to leave 3 decimal places. So 1 decimal place, 2 decimal place, 3 decimal place, and then you have to put decimal point. So what is the multiplication between these two numbers? 894.930. I hope you have understood how to perform the multiplication between decimal numbers. You need to try more example if you'll get any doubt, if you'll get any difficulty, please do write in comment box. Thank you so much for watching, keep learning, keep smiling. See you in the next video. Please do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Good day.